as the foundation, right? The first class of Elevate Health, that you are the pioneers setting forward with innovation and education and wellness to make sure that we can improve the lives of the people of the Bronx, starting with your schools, your students, and your faculties.
First and foremost, thank you for considering Westchester Square Academy in our project. So our project deals with personal hygiene products, and it's actually the brainchild of my students of my school. So we have a civics elective class where kids create an action project. There was a huge demand for personal hygiene products. They were once present in the school, readily available, and they were actually taken away. So this project was aimed to make it readily available for students in need, because some students, I learned, were skipping school due to not having shampoo, not having deodorant. So that should never be an obstacle to determine whether a kid comes to school or not. And that is really how the grant was jump-started.
This event, this Elevate Health Grants, is really an innovative way of looking at celebrating our schools, investing in our young people, in their vision for wellness, making sure that we are listening and paying attention to what they think is in their best interest and empowering them to meet the needs.
I think really for our science research students in particular, since they're going to be conducting their proposals, this kind of goes right in line with helping them to conduct research on different wellness activities and gives them the access to things that maybe they didn't have access to before.
We've done an amazing thing, which is rethink back to school from book bags and supplies to what does it mean to have a healthy school year for students and high school students. Most people don't focus on high school students. They don't think about high school students going back to school. And we were really excited at CEI about partnering with Montefiore Einstein to say the back to school checkup has been expanded on.
We are really in the community, really supporting our children and supporting our community members, families, and the schools as best as we can.
Our proposal is we call it Wellness into Spring basically, and it is basically a student-led activity, and this will be led by two groups of organizations in our school, which is the MSK, wherein she is the advisor, and also the student ambassadors.
We couldn't do this without each and every one of you. So again, to Pelham Lab, to Schomburg, to Westchester Academy, to Women's Academy of Excellence, thank you for being brave enough to come forward with your great ideas. We look forward to working with you along the way. And more importantly, we look forward to changing the trajectory of health in the Bronx, one step at a time, 4 schools now, so many more in the future. Thank you all.